is bringing labor together, and not just all the labor within the public sector, but also in the private sector. And we have some very important presentation today, some participation, and I'd like to introduce Dan Kane, President of Teamsters IBTU, IBT 202. Thank you.
Good afternoon, brothers and sisters. Glad to see everybody out here. You know, this attack on labor, attack on working class people, this has been going on for 30 years. Private sector unionization in this country is down to 9%, a little bit under. Moving lower, at one point was over 30% in this country. For those 30 years, they've divided workers, destroyed unions throughout this country, and taken the voice of working people away from them. We do not live in a democracy where workers cannot freely join unions. And in the United States, I would tell you that workers do not have the right to join unions in this country. It's almost impossible to organize workers in this country. And you can look at the wealth concentrated at the top, started with real wages going down since the 70s because we could not organize workers in the private sector. And now, since they've destroyed the private sector unionization, destroyed the rights of workers, corporations getting wealthier, it is now time, in their eyes, to beat up on the public sector. The one good thing we're going to get from this, the one hopeful thing I can look at after being a member of the union for 25 years.
Come on, brother.
When I look at Wisconsin, I see hope in people's eyes. We are all standing together. They can take everything they want from us, but they can't take us from each other. If we stand together, if the people of this country finally wake up and realize, I was excited yesterday listening to television, actually talking about the rights of people to join unions in this country. How many times I watch on television, even on Labor Day, and there's not a labor leader standing there. It is time to fight for the rights of workers to join unions. This is not about budgets. This is not about pensions. It's not about who has what. It's about the rights of free people to organize and join unions of their choice and to collectively bargain their futures. The Teamsters Local 202 will stand with you, brothers and sisters. Thank you.